Hi everybody.
Cheers, guys.
We congrats you with the New Year and Merry Christmas.
Sometimes I believe that we work the whole year round just for this only week after the New Year. Just everything that you have earned during the whole year you spend in this very week. So and everything starts from the very beginning. By the way, start from the very beginning, like our favorite crypto clowns say. Life is cyclic, guys, and we have an idea that not only life is cyclic, but also
the economy, because everybody are waiting for the crisis. Like in 1998, 2008 was crisis, and
that's why they were drinking so hard. Important prediction. Just get ready.
Let's start maybe from the crypto.
Yep, why not?
Okay, the last months crypto market has a bearish trend and has seen in billions of dollars valuations evaporate, and ICO is on the stable level, or maybe then below. And what about Bitcoin? Bitcoin this week goes in a trend from 3,600 to 4,100, and it goes in this trend for I think for 2 or 3 weeks, but maybe in long time it will goes up.
Since Max is the greater specialist in cryptocurrency than I am, but I still know that Ethereum capitalization is stable and it's on the third place after Bitcoin and Ripple. And the point is that, for example, the Ripple seems to be
the latest news from the Ripple.
By the way,
they have negotiations with the SWIFT international payment system that in the nearest future they will start a new platform for cross-bordering payments, and it's good news for Ripples and Ripple owners because it will increase their price.
Oh, well, just a minute of personal memories. Last business trip, I met a lady in an airport, and she just asked me, well, what are you doing, so on and so forth. She said that I'm in a crypto, I'm crypto trading and just crypto sales and so on and so forth. And she said, well, I think it's just another financial pyramid, I believe, so on and so forth. But the problem is, guys, just for those of you who are watching our analysis for 10th consecutive time and who still not persuaded, do not be too prejudicial about crypto, about blockchain technology, because we all need an alternative to traditional banking services, to a traditional financial system which actually demonstrates its failure every decade, just what we are about to see in the coming year. And blockchain seems to be quite good and so far the only alternative for the system, until some other very secure and understandable and accessible technology appears. So just why not to invest in the leader,
Yeah, and I want to add to my colleague that even it's bearish market or even it's bullish market, with our Metatrader 5 and Larsen & Holtz, you can earn your money on increasing or decreasing trend.
But this is all about crypto, so
maybe let's talk about stock markets.
Let's traditionally step into a traditional market.
I decided to start from the Asia and Pacific market. What about China?
Well, quite a good idea. The whole world is watching China, not China, just this
second largest economy.
Unhappy married couple, which United States of America and China look like and resemble so much. They're on the shore of the same ocean and so on and so forth, and they still cannot understand how to build relationships with one another. And the whole world is watching how the trading war between them develops, and what will be the end of this trading war. So figures still show out of China on Thursday that country's consumer prices and factory gate inflation both increased less than in December, with the latter rising at the slowest pace over 2 years. So the pace of month-on-month increase in factory-gate inflation declined for a second straight time. And just like you may understand, it's not good for Chinese stock market. So
It's bad, yeah.
if you're planning to invest into Chinese stock market in the nearest future, we just would like to warn you, then the forecast is negative so far. But what about the other side of the ocean?
Okay, we are going to the left on the world map.
Even
and
more left.
Yeah,
Okay.
to the Europe
Okay.
market. And
But the world seems to be like spheric, you know. So
Yeah.
whenever you go, it just
we go back to the
yeah.
China. Yeah. European shares stumbled on Thursday as optimism over US-China trade talks dissipated after a few details on progress emerged and a slew of weak earnings reports dented retailers and car stocks. And everybody watching on Great Britain and Brexit. What about Brexit?
Brexit is another lovely story which all the world is following the recent month, and it's just a month. It's not yet a year. Yep, and the only fact which we can be sure in is that Brexit will happen. The only thing which remains unknown, how tough the divorce of United Kingdom with Europe will be. It depends on British politicians, and depending on this, the Great Britain pound will either drop harshly, and the bottom price is, well, about 1.59 US dollar per British pound, or rise to unstable and insecure $1.1 per British pound.
And what about US market? US market this week goes a little bit high because everybody are waiting for results of US-China trade talks, negotiations. And but our global newsmaker Donald Trump.
I've heard that, you know, Mr. Trump was previously in construction industry, you know, and he's still very fond of constructing. You know?
Yeah, you're
this
right.
idea fix of the wall between US and Mexico, well, this is absolutely amazing. So
Yeah.
he resembles me, just ancient Chinese emperors who were also a little bit fixed about walls and building whatever it is.
But stocks, it's not only the one instrument, financial instruments on our market. There also are commodities.
So, in times when businessmen, actors, and other slightly mad people rule the world, investors tend to shift to the most secure and eternal assets, and one of this asset is gold.
The conservative strategy.
Yeah. By the way, LH Crypto Analytics, LH Crypto analysts recommend to pay special attention to the following four assets in 2019. These are gold, Swiss franc, Japanese yen, and of course cryptocurrencies, which seem to be, like the safe bay in this coming volatile year. Gold prices, they edged up on Thursday in Asia, after the US dollar slipped amid growing expectations that the US Federal Reserve would hold its rate tightening cycle in 2019. So this resulted in continuous growth of gold prices since, I believe, mid-November or early December. So same goes with silver, but this is far more less stable precious metal.
And with other exchange market, LH Crypto, Metatrader provides you perfect option of setting trade or take profit and stop losses orders, and you can earn great amount of money on it. Just remember previous day volatility of cryptocurrencies. Oh gosh, my client makes great money on it. By the way, don't forget about our Christmas bonus. 10% for every replenishment till February 2019. So go ahead.
So this is it for this time. Thank you for watching us. So if you haven't yet finished your New Year sellers, just go on and finish them. Just again, do not forget about our Christmas bonus. It's not only 10% extra money on your account
Yep.
with every replenishment, but there is even more 30% bonus, which will take some efforts to get, but you can be the lucky one. So see you next week.
Yep. And if you have any suggestions and questions, you can go to our site lhcrypto.com and you can find any information that you need.
Yeah, it's digital era after all, So see you next week in a digital form.
Bye-bye.
Bye.